What's going on, guys? My name is Bosanolo and welcome back to the channel. Today I have on my biggest Pokemon TCG pack opening the Charizard X Premium Collection from Obsidian Flames. If you guys enjoy this pack opening content and want to see more, hit that like button and comment down below if I should. Enough prattling. Let's get into it. Let's get into this. First off, I love this box design. It's kind of rocky. I like that. Or maybe it's meant to represent scales. I don't know. Come on, get open. We do have quite some stuff in here. So first off, the top. Now, how is this meant to open? Ah, like that. So, here's the code card if anyone wants it. We have the Charizard starter lineup with, of course, the main event, Charizard, looking pretty sweet. Interestingly, being a dark type, not a fire or dragon type as I would prefer, but it's very cool looking. But for something that we've all come to see, not sure what this is. I think it's the card protector. Also, this is like when you get your card rated and it's in a plastic box. Cool. Very cool. We have some sleeves. Very nice. Another sealed something. Ultra Pro. Oh, this is the holder for the card protector. Looking very nice. But, of course, now we have 6 packs to open. From Obsidian Flames, Aldea Evolved, Scarlet and Violet. Now I can't remember any of the card tricks for these sets, so I'm just gonna have to wing it. I'm gonna do 3. So it was not 3, but sure. Billybolt, a trainer card, lightning energy. It might have been 1. Houndour, Tadpole, Steenie, Paldean Wooper, never seen that card before. Letter of Encouragement, Trollcap, Blossom, and Surskit. It might have been 2. So I'm gonna do 2. Toxtricity, I might have screwed this up again. Fire Energy, yeah, I think it was 1. Fire Energy, Weasel, Bounsweet, Magnemite, Larvesta, Grumpig, Clodsire, Trevenant, Mawile, and Heatmore. I have no idea on these modern packs. I have done a Scarlet and Violet pack opening, which you should check out on the channel. I can't really remember what the card trick was for that, but I'm gonna wing it as well. 3, why not? Not quite. Freebacks, Vascular Energy, so Charodets, Relore, I've never seen these Pokemon before. Tadbulb, got 2 of the same Pokemon in the same pack. Frigibax, Seviper, Pyroar, Luxio, and Relore. Try 1. So it was 1. Okay. Fire Energy, Mankey, Charodets, Capskid, Potion, XP Share, Toadscruel, Sizzler, Florigato, not sure, Go-Goats, and Cloth. Second to last pack. This was Paldea Evolved, so I have no idea. Try 2. Slacking, that was probably, yeah, it was 2. Slacking, a Normal Energy Pikachu, Cloufant, Krogunk, Rookidee, Brambleghast, that looks terrifying. Superior Energy Retrieval, Sudowoodo, Unio, the streamer, I know that because of internet memes, and Watriel, not sure how to pronounce that. Last pack, Scarlet and Violet. Hopefully we can get one pull out of this. I should remember this is 1 for the card trick. Yeah, it was. Fire Energy, Magneton, Clawitzer, Greavyard, Mastiff, Miriam, Spiritomb, Ultra Ball, Squawk, Ability, Drowsy, and I forgot the name of this legendary. Groudon. Pretty sure that was it. Yeah, that was the last pack of the day. Disappointed we did not get any major pulls except for, well, the guaranteed Charizard, of course. But yeah, that's the Charizard EX Premium Collection from Obsidian Flames. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like. And tell me if I should do more of these videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye.